Central, we have the ability to actually sell uh, products that effectively get drop shipped to a customer. So if the sales order has been already selected with the customer's address, the item on the line items has been set to drop ship, your team can actually come in here every day and run the requisition worksheet and go from here to drop ship, get sales orders, and leave it blank and hit OK. There are 3 currently in our system for 3 separate customers, okay? And these need to be tidied up and completed. So as part of this, we need to turn around and accept the action messages. So I can do these one at a time. And by going home, carry out action message, or I can do them all at once. And I just say, carry out action message, done. So those orders have been raised. If we go to the purchase orders, you go into purchase order here, you can see the product that's been raised. If you scroll down, you'll see shipping to a customer address. And if you go to the line, to the order, you'll have the ability to go to drop shipment, show me the sales order for this line. So let's click that. And here is the sales order to Additum, just like that. So please note the purchase order you can't receive until you have shipped the sales order. So I can't turn around and post this and receive it because technically we're not receiving anything. What's happening is from the customer, we can come in here. Let's edit this order. I can post and say ship an invoice and okay. That invoice has now been shipped and invoiced. And if I go back to the purchase order, if you look at the line, you're going to see quantity received, ready to invoice. And the received quantity, if we click on it, this is what was shipped directly to the customer, which is pretty cool. So now I've got my invoice details and I can post an invoice. I know by default it's just receive an invoice. That's it. That's the end of the purchase order for dropship. So requisition worksheets, quite functional, easy to use. Get in there. If you're doing a lot of drop shipping, you can let it pile up in the day, and then once a day, bang, run your planning sheet.